First, open the furnace door and take out the shockproof foam and the shockproof sponge under the rod. When the equipment is first used or left unused for a long time, it needs to be baked in an oven. Heating up to temperature of 200 degrees, contain for 120 minutes. When starting to use, open the oven door. Put in the sample and furnace door fire bricks, and close the furnace door after confirming that everything is correct. Open the oil filling port of the vacuum pump and fill it with oil, slightly above the middle of maximum, and finally tighten the oil filling port. Use an air pressure hose to connect the furnace exhaust port to the vacuum pump exhaust port. Connect the vacuum pump power cord. Open the vacuum pump exhaust port, turn on the air extraction switch, and close the air intake switch. Note: horizontal opening, vertical closing. When the vacuum gauge pointer indicates -0.1 兆帕, the vacuuming is completed. First close the vacuum valve and then turn off the vacuum pump switch. Connect the air inlet line to the air inlet. Open the air inlet valve, turn on the air source, and adjust the gas flow. After a certain flow rate is introduced, close the air inlet valve. In the basic state, press the left button for a second to enter the temperature control program setting state. After setting, long press the half circle key or do not operate for 10 seconds. The instrument will automatically save and return to the basic state. Press the green start button. Long press the down button on the instrument panel for 2 seconds, and the device will heat up according to the program. The voltmeter and ammeter on the operation panel will also change according to the program. Note, it is not recommended to use the atmosphere furnace under positive pressure. If it is to be used under positive pressure, it is recommended that the positive pressure must not exceed 0.02 MPa, otherwise it will cause danger. When the pressure in the furnace is too high, open the pressure regulating valve to release the pressure in the furnace. After the pressure in the furnace is released, close the pressure regulating valve and do not exhaust the gas at high temperature for a long time, otherwise the gas pipe will be damaged.